welcome back to my channel, and today what I'm going to be doing is a Valentine's DIY. I'm so excited. I think we're going to have a blast working on this one, and it's going to be really easy. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project. You're going to need one of these little picture frames from the Dollar Tree. It's red and it just has a little clothespin right there that you can hang a picture on. So you'll need one of these, and it's a 4x4. Okay, then you're going to need, I picked up, you could use stickers off of Google if you wanted, but I found these Recollections Valentines embellishments, really, and they have all kinds of different images on here, and they were $5, but they were on sale. I believe it was 40% off at Michael's. Okay, so you need that. And then quite a while ago, I picked up this hot buy paper pad at Michael's for Valentine's, and I just love every paper in here, and I think it coordinates nicely with this. Okay, then we're going to use either the Apple Barrel Cameo Pink, it's a real soft, pretty pink, or we're going to use the Pink Parfait. That's a real pretty color. And you'll probably need a glue stick, and then either a well-loved brush or a little dauber that I got like at Walmart, or just a little foam sponge. I tear mine off and just use that. And then either some scissors or a paper cutter, okay? So let me go ahead and move this down and we will get started. Okay, the first thing I want to do is go through here, and I'm pretty sure I already know which paper that I want to use. It has some flowers on it, but they have this one, okay? So I'm just gonna tear it out, but they have so many beautiful ones in this pad, and it's always, like I said, try to get you a hot buy if you can. It's very inexpensive. Okay, because they're regularly $19.99, and I didn't pay $19.99 for that at all. Let me put this down a little bit more. Okay, so I've already taken my paper off. Now all you need to do is just push these little clips back. It's basically what I'm going to do is how I do my other picture frames that I use gift bags for. Okay, we're just going to take this off. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just put this right here in the corner and take my pencil and just trace around it to get the exact size that I need. Okay, and then I'm just going to take my paper cutter and cut this. It couldn't be any easier. And like I said, you could use scissors if you needed to. But I love my paper cutter. All right, now this will fit right on here without any problem. If it wasn't for that little, there we go. I'm just going to take this loose while I do this. It's just taped on there, okay? So now all we have to do is just take our glue stick. This would be really cute to give to a teacher, anything like that. Set in as decor in your home. Okay. Then we're just going to line this up. And just press it down. gonna put a lot of glue. You could use hot glue on this if you wanted. I ended up just gluing it, putting the glue right on the back of the picture frame, the inside. I think I would use hot glue though, if I were you. Then we're just gonna pull this right back around. And glue it back down. This is so easy, okay? And that part is done. That's so pretty, okay? You could paint this little clip if you wanted pink, and I might do that. I have to think about that, okay? So what we're going to do, you could leave this red, and that would be really pretty. I mean, you could see how that pops. I do kind of like that. It kind of draws you in. But I think I'm going to use just a little bit of some of this pink. Just a very little bit. And see what I might want to do. Just sort of give it a little pink to it. Not a lot. Just to make it look a little fun. You can put as much or as little of this as you want. Just get it till you like it. There isn't a wrong or right way to do this. It's whatever you like. Okay? Then we're just going to set this right here. It'll dry very quickly. I think that's so cute. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do is get in this little pack and see what I might want. You could put some dogs that hang down. They have so many options. You could put a heart. They even have a same heart that matches this paper, but I don't want to do that because I want it to really stand out. So I think I'm going to get into this back bunch of paper. And let's just look. I mean, that would be really pretty. That would be pretty. You wouldn't even have to hang anything off of it. Off that clip if you didn't want to. Let's look. Do I even want to use that clip? This is what it looks like on the clip. That's cute. Let me see. I think I'm going to see about painting this clip. I mean this clothespin. And see what I think. See if that makes me want to keep the clothespin. You can make things with Dollar Tree so economical and really make cute little things. Let's see. Okay, here it is painted pink. I think that does help it a lot. Then you can just put this on it, just clip this on it or whatever you decide you want. Or you wouldn't have to clip it, you could just glue it right on there. But I think that is so cute that all we have to do is flip this back over. put this down in here. Okay, and this is what we have. I think that is so cute. It is really pretty, and you could put anything in there that you wanted to. So this is just a cute little Valentine's DIY that you can just set around your house, or like I said, give to a teacher or anything like that. It's so fun and so cute. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.